Buffalo Public Schools got together, the urban think tank, today to address concerns that the water is unsafe at some of the schools within the district. 2 on Your Side's Danielle Church joining us now with more on that. Good afternoon to you, Danielle.
Hey, Kate. Now, this all started because of an allegation a former chief engineer at the school at the district made to the state attorney general's office, as well as the New York State Department of Health. He said that the water over at School 39, the Math Science Technology Prep School, was coming back with high levels of lead. However, the district says that the former employee was not working there at the time that they were testing the water. According to BPS, lead poisoning has been a concern within the entire district since before the pandemic began. The first time the district was required to test was in 2016 because of a state law. The district was supposed to test the water samples again in 2020, but that was put on hold due to COVID and because they're supposed to test the water when students are actually in the building. BPS started testing again in 2021 from March through June. They say they follow guidelines set forth by the EPA as well as the state health department on how to address a water fountain that tested with high levels. The district's director of safety and health says it's shut down immediately and then some sort of remediation is required.
So either we're taking it out of service and we're replacing it with a new lead-free fixture. We are also allowed in some instances, if it is a bathroom, because we were required to test bathroom faucets as well, we can put signage that says do not drink along with a pitcher for those who can't read. And we are allowed to use it for hand washing only.
All of that information had to go out to parents, staff, guardians, and then it had to be posted on the website. So I'm not exactly sure. But again, if it was an exceedance, there were documented ways that we have to remediate it.
Now, I could not find any lead testing data for School 39 on the State Health Department's website, even though other BPS schools were listed there, and I'm still waiting for an answer as to why that is. Coming up at 5, I'll have how a local testing company is trying to make it easier for parents of Buffalo public school students to get their child tested for lead poisoning. I'm told if many of them come back with high levels of lead in their system, then the state health department will come in and do individual investigations at the school they go to. Reporting in the studio, Danielle Church, Channel 2 News.